people. Nah, right. B-balls. Hello, people. Nah, Taro Whainga. I am Tara Amulisulu, and this is my dad, wonderful dad. Oh, Ese Amulisulu. And tonight,
Oh, there I am. Cool.
and tonight we're gonna be doing some
We're trialing this test run and
yeah, hopefully
to
it
see
goes
how we
well.
go. Yeah, but this is going to be first of a few, quite a few lives, just to jam with the wonderful fans and the wonderful subscribers on this YouTube page.
Yeah.
And all our wonderful subscribers across our social media platforms.
Hi.
But if you're joining us tonight, wherever you're going to be joining us from around the world,
Yo.
we're just going to be stumbling through this. So, come in and have some fun with us, getting our words wrong.
Yo.
Because Tara's going to get them wrong.
Shut up, bro.
Jeez, man.
Shut up.
She means...
Oh, yeah, I love you so much, Dad.
What should we sing first? But yeah, share this live if wherever you're tuning in from.
Yo.
I'm going to be doing a bit of everything.
Yo. Hopefully you guys like it. Like our wonderful, not singing.
Wonderful singing.
Hey.
Oh, can you turn your guitar volume down? See, we're just learning as we
Yeah,
go.
see guys, totally amazing.
Flash guy.
Yeah.
Sweet, let's get into some songs.
Okay, should we do... Let's do...
You check that guitar volume down?
Yeah, I did. Write it down.
Oh, I can still hear it.
Probably because I'm right in front of the mic. So. See guys, learners.
All right.
Where is it? Where are you?
What about Small Hands first?
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo guys, this is Small Hands by the one and only Teddy Swims. Yeah.
What's the song about?
It's about, he dedicated it to his son. That's, yeah. He wrote it like last year, I think, or this year. A bad memory.
Well, let's get
Yeah, he
into it.
dedicated it.
Hopefully I can remember how to play it. I learned it yesterday. Alright. Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck. My whole life I've been waiting for someone to fix this broken man. Every moment a twist of fate, but it made me who I am. I'd be lying if I told you that I knew I had a life before there was you. But these small hands, they don't care where I come from, where I've been. Oh, I never loved myself until the day I held these small hands. There was no getting ready, but I am glad I'm overwhelmed. The way you look back at me, it's like I finally see myself in your mother's eyes. It's like they were made for you, but I so much work to do. These small hands, they don't care where I come from, where I've been. Oh, I never loved myself until the day I held these small hands. Da-da-da-da-dum. I'm not sure where I'd be if not for these small hands that don't care where I'm from and where I've been. Oh, I never loved myself until the day I held these small hands. Yay!
We made it.
Okay, guys, we made it through the first song. Yay!
Well, thanks for coming, guys.
Yeah, thanks, guys. Thank you so much.
So that was Small Hands, eh? Small Hands.
Yeah,
by-
Small Hands by Teddy Swims.
You went to the concert recently, eh?
Yes, I went to his
Yeah, no one cares.
Hey, I went to his, no, I'm gonna say I went to his concert last year, October 9th, and it was the best night of my life. Cause shut up, and it was the best experience I've ever had because it was my first concert, and like yeah, it was amazing,
Amazing.
amazing.
Nice. What's another song?
What's another song?
Should we do a Samoa?
Yes, let's do. Oh, so many to choose from. Let's do.
Do you remember talking to me?
Yeah,
Hey.
yeah. Hopefully.
I know
No.
you're a little bit older now.
Oh,
But
I'm not
chuck
saying
it on-
anything.
Chuck it on a different key. Yep.
Do down.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Or higher?
Not right. Imagine. Tado. Yang kali. No, shut up. No. Okay, well, sorry. Okay. Yo, let's do it. Yeah. Tolu. Yep.
Oh,
Oh.
I'll be kind here.
Oh, yo. Okay, that sounds good. Yeah, this next song.
I'll just make up an intro.
Tolu Manuiti, guys. Tolu Manuiti sa tepese, tato sa sola mafatofa, uala tamai tamalu.
Remember your voice? made it, mate.
Chaz made it.
Chaz making it.
Aye.
Ooh, I should have bought some water now.
Shit, no.
I think it's time for a song just by yourself.
Okay.
Would you like some water?
I got water.
She does know how to be considerate, guys.
Yeah, I do. Trust me, I do,
She
guys.
just forgot this time.
Yeah. No, I totally just forgot.
What song would you like?
I could do the something in the orange. Should I?
Which one?
Something in the orange? Ooh, guitar time. No.
I think you might have to turn the volume up.
Oh, wow.
Right on full.
On full?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is your...
Okay. Yeah.
Where's your keyboard?
Second fret. Ooh. Oh my gosh.
I'm just going to do this one by herself.
Okay, guys. This song is called Something in the Orange by Zach Bryan. I don't really know what it's about, but anyways, it's a good song, and I really like the melody and the song, and like, yeah. So hopefully you guys like it as well.
It's one of my favorites that she does, so good luck.
Let's go. It'll be fun by dusk light, I'm telling you, baby. Baby, these things eat at your bones and drive your young minds crazy. But when you place your head between my collar and jaw, I don't know much, but there's no weight at all. And I'm damned if I do, and I'm damned if I don't. 'Cause if I say I miss you, I know that you won't. Oh, to you I'm just a man, to me you're all I am. Where the hell am I supposed to go? I poison myself against something in the orange tells me you're never coming home. If you leave today, I'll just stare out the way. The orange touches all things around. Grass, trees, and dunes, how I just hate you. Please turn those headlights around. I need to hear you say you've been waiting all night. The orange dancing in your eyes from bulb light. The voice only trembles when you try to speak. Take me back to us dancing this world used to be. Oh, to you I'm just a man, to me you're all I am. Where the hell am I supposed to go? I poison myself against something in the orange tells me you're never coming home. If you leave today, I'll just stare out the way. The orange touches all things around. Grass, trees, and dew, how I just hate you. Please turn those headlights around. Please turn those headlights around. Yeah! But that was... Oh, my headphones totally didn't come undone during it.
Oh, lucky you remembered.
Who said that? Oh, that was a ghost.
No one saw that.
Yeah, totally no one. Totally not why I stopped in midway trying to get the cord out of my guitar. But yeah, so... That's another song. Another song. Yeah, it was.
I really like that.
Yo, I like the emotion in it. I don't know why.
Oh no, I just like the song.
Wow! Wow, okay then. Wow. Fine then. Oh. Oh, is Nia here? Oh, is Nia and Uncle Money here?
Hey.
Oh, amazing. OMG.
So yeah, just for those of you who are going to be watching this live in the future and that, feel free to just in the comments and that just leave the suggestions of songs that Tara can do
Yeah, because I need more song suggestions, bro.
on our future lives, and that we're going to try and do this regularly. Just because this is what we like to do just normally, so we thought we'd let you guys in
Yo,
into our world.
into our world.
Papa toy.
Hi. Papa toy truck.
How's your voice?
Yeah, it's good.
Can we do that?
Oh
Can we do
yes,
that?
wait, that's when we.
Yeah, we'll try and maybe we should have practiced some of these.
Yeah, we should have.
But that's the cool thing about lives.
See the raw moments, guys.
Rawness.
Rawness.
Give it a go.
Yo.
There you go.
This is Adele, When We Were Young. Mom, if you're listening to this, yeah. Hey. Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old. It made us restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears. Nobody told me that you'd be here. And I swear you'd moved overseas. That's what you said when you left me. You still look like a movie, you still sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting alone. It's hard to admit that everything just takes me back to when you were there, to when you were there. And a part of me keeps holding on, just in case it hasn't gone. I guess I still care. Do you still care? It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and made us restless. Oh, I'm so mad I'm getting old and made me reckless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song when we were young. Yay.
remembered.
I remembered. Let's go.
Oh, that was you laughed in the middle of the song.
I'm just
That last bit, man. Yeah.
No-
Thank you for
no need to.
remembering. Thank you.
So a little birdie told me my nana's watching. Oh, who's that? No, my nana and Popstar, hopefully. I miss you guys. I love you guys. And yeah. Oh, yo. Here you go. Here you go. Aye. Let's do Crystal. What's that one called? Crystal Chandeliers? Oh. Oh, what?
Best friend?
What? Yes! You're my
You
baby.
just have to remind me of the words.
Hold up, I don't even remember them. Wait, no, totally. I remember my words, guys.
Fired.
Bro. Yeah, so, Is it by? Is it by Don Williams? Surely it's by Don Williams. Oh yeah, it is! You plays gold on my finger. Whatever. Sorry. You plays gold
Yeah, the key right
on my finger. Yeah. You do the first verse.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you do the first verse. Oh, do you want me to do it?
No, that's all right.
I can do it.
I can do it. Ooh, hey, come on.
Well, that was a bit much. No.
Time for me to keep it.
Yeah.
You play gold.
Whoa, my voice just went so deep. Nah.
On my finger.
You bought love.
Will key change to your key after that? Mm-hmm. My turn.
Dad's turn, guys.
You place gold on my finger. You brought love like I never known. You gave life
Nah.
to our children, and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled winds. You're my
of all, you're my best friend. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled winds. You're my anchor in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. But most of all, you're my best friend. Yay! Bravo! Absolutely amazing. No.
Amazing.
Amazing. Wait, amazing. It's a new word. Amazing. I'm gonna say that after everything now. Amazing. Okay.
One more guitar.
Yeah.
What would you like? What would you like? What you like?
Hey,
Something that I'll play one more and then you can carry on. While I go and get some water.
Okay.
Let somebody then bring me some.
Oh, yeah. I wonder who that was. That was a random person. Because I asked Gasper to bring it for you. Oh, I didn't. Sorry.
What I know.
I never got the lyric. No.
Oh, we can do a couple of verses.
Hey, do you for me
We'll go until we fall down there.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
I'll practice.
Oh, okay, then no need, bro. No. Oh.
Watala no manu, lengana na oletaya o ave o le lau a punitia foi puao le saumalu e whaasusu I lau lau
That's why I'm not a soprano.
Saila le fungala au matala uau Leiti o a foi sa mo fai o na tai au
Oh.
Le amatanga o le sofa popo le o langa Le tai au nai matani u whea ngai ma le ata
Oh my god.
La le lei ua so ai nei Samoana Ini siti tau whao le sua mani e o le vine ula Ma whao whaunga o le lupe unga o le mosa I pula Le langa li ua pua ina mai lona manongi Le asofo ua foa ina I le Samoa moni
Yeah.
Leiti o foi Samoa whai o na tai au Le asofo ui o le o lana You're fired Tai au nei matani u whea ngai ma le ata Le tala le lei ua so o ai nei Samoana Le tala le lei ua so o ai nei Samoana
Yeah. Bravo.
Oh. Do one by yourself.
Yo, I'm gonna go country style, guys. I'm gonna go country style.
And I'm gonna go water style. Grab my own water.
Cause most of you probably don't know, I am a country girl at heart. Oh, and yeah. So, if you guys have not heard of Darius Rucker, Darius, I don't know, then you're gonna hear one of Darius. Then you're gonna hear him now. Okay, so let's go. South to the land of the pines, I'm thumbing my way into North Carolina, staring up the road and pray to God I see headlines. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for Raleigh I can see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Hey, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Running from the cold up in New England, I was born to be a fiddler in an old-time string band. My baby plays the guitar, I pick a banjo now. Oh, North Country winners keep getting me down. Lost my money playing poker, so I had to leave town. But I ain't turning back to living that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Yeah, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Welcome to the south, out of Roanoke. I caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long tour. She's heading west from the Cumberland Gap to Johnson City, Tennessee. I gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby, my name, and I know that she's the only one. And if I die in Raleigh, at least I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Hey, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Yeah! So that was Wagon Wheel by Darius. I have no idea how to say his name. Darius Rucker. I'm just gonna say it like that, because that's one of my favorite country songs.
Might be Darius.
Darius? Who knows?
Then D-Nice.
D-Nice! There's a D-Nice out there.
Sorry. We're just gonna look at some comments and stuff like that and try and answer some.
I'm gonna look at some.
You put it up to your eye and tell us some comments.
Okay. First is It's Moni. Who's that? Nah, it's Moni. Let's go, guys. Oh, yo. Okay. Next is Lavinia Lovo. Hi, Nia. She said, love this. Hey. And then Uncle Moni again. Oh, it's Moni again, saying some emojis.
Nice.
Next is Uncle JB. Oh, awesome song. Love when you guys sing together. Thank you, Uncle. Yeah. And then this is from, I don't know how to say her name. Her or his name? No Veletalola. Hopefully. Hey, hello, watching you guys from Seattle, Washington, USA.
Oh my gosh, Seattle in the house.
I'm from Sapoe.
Wow.
Sapoe. Wondering whose Sapoe family you are from.
Aww.
Yo.
So we are from the Sangili family, like Sangaya, Solo'au, Whanolua was my mother. Yeah, so it's the Sangili family.
Yeah.
Oh, it's awesome. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
And everybody watching out there, yeah, let's
Yo.
go. Hopefully it sounds alright out there for you guys. That's the whole reason why we're doing it.
Imagine if it doesn't.
Just testing it out. What song would you like?
Let's do.
Should we do this one?
Oh, it's amazing how.
Yeah.
What's the name of that song?
When you say nothing at all,
Yeah, totally. I need this.
you're fired.
Oh, sad. By Ronan Keating.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a midnight try.
The right chords, please. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. 'Cause you say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud.
Oh, wow.
But when you hold me near and drown out the crowd, try as they may, they can never define what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. 'Cause you say it best when you say nothing at all.
Say it best when you say nothing at all. You say it best when you say nothing at all.
Oh, you say it best.
When you say nothing at all. You say it best when you say nothing at all.
The smile on your face
When you say
that
Wow, good job.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, okay. Nice how do you say that?
Satele, yeah.
Satele family. Beautiful talent, you and the girls.
Thank you so much
God
for
bless you
time.
and sing more. Love country music. I love to sing my favorite. I love to sing. My favorite thing to do in life is music. Oh, that's amazing.
Bless. Thank you so much. Hope you and your family have had a good start to the year. Yeah,
2026. No, sorry.
absolutely. And everybody that's watching today, hope you guys have gone off to an amazing start and had an awesome Easter as well. Caught up with family and friends.
Yo.
Yeah. Oh, a couple more songs, eh?
Yo.
And then I think we might have enough for the test.
Yeah.
Have to go back and look at our mistakes.
Dang.
Fix that up. I mean, Tara's mistakes.
Hey, calm down, bro. Nah. You don't need to mention that. Nah. Got it. Nah, sorry.
What song would you like?
What you like? Let me look through some notes. Oh,
Notes?
I got notes.
Nice.
We've already done small hands. We've done when we were young. We could do NIV. We could do.
Oh, do you want to do
Bad dreams?
that for Uncle JB?
Yes! Uncle JB, if you're watching this is dedicated to you. Bad Dreams by Teddy Swims.
Yep.
Yep. Sun is. Hey.
Yep. All good.
Sun is going down. No, sun is going up.
All right, here we go.
Sun is going down. Time is running out. No one else around but me. Steady losing light. Steady losing my mind. Moving shadows and grinding teeth. Without you, there ain't no place for me to hide. Without you, there's no way I can sleep tonight. What I do for a little bit of peace and quiet. Without you, I keep slipping into bad dreams. With there's no you and I. No sound when I cry. I love you and I need you to set me free from all of Yo, Teddy Swims, surely you're watching it now.
Yeah. Not sure about those oohs, though. Ooh.
Shut up, bro.
Nice.
Oh, Uncle Luffy.
Oh,
Very nice. Tell Dad I said hi. Sheesh, beauty song just needs some Ella Langley now. The sound is coming across good on the line. Uncle JP, bro, I don't know how to sing it yet. I mean, well, I was about 22.
I promise the next live we'll have it, eh?
Yeah, we'll just practice more. Otherwise, your guys actually dream of laughing at us forgetting our lyrics. One will come true. But yeah. She's from Texas, I can tell.
Yeah, man, that's a cool song too. If you guys haven't heard of her, go and check her out.
Yo, go check her out. She's like really cool. She is, I'm not lying.
One more song, yeah?
What's a song? Yo, surely you suggest we could do... Oh, I could do one.
And guys, leave your suggestions and that on this live as well.
I could do it.
Thing below. So we can learn some more songs. Ooh, okay.
Mine. Ah,
Fine.
my turn.
Play your guitar. Nice.
Yeah, okay, I think I got it.
Alright.
Okay, this song is from Alex Warren. Surely let me sing on stage. Not right. This song is called "Carry You Home" by Alex Warren, and if I get it wrong, don't mind me. Yeah. So just yeah. To say it's true. Oh, I hope you know I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. I don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. In this and every life, I choose us every time. Each other warm under the ceiling full of stars. These days, these nights are changing. My mind is set on you. I'm not afraid to say it. Say it's true. Oh, I hope you know I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. I don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. In this and every life, I choose us every time. Oh, 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 Yes, queen.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so
we're gonna
much.
we're gonna keep sharing these lives and that. And I hope more of you come along and you'll see why we like to do this.
Yo.
every single time. And yeah, I hope you and your families stay well, stay safe, be kinding.
Ja, be kinding.
And yeah, alofa tele atu. And yeah, like I said, chuck your
Suggestions. Surely.
songs down in the comments
Or that's
for Tara to sing.
wherever the comments are. But yeah.
Even for Tara to cover and stuff like that. Yeah, make her do some work.
Aye.
Thank you for subscribing. So if you haven't already, subscribe.
Oh, wow.
Okay, and she's going to sign you guys out. Thank you.
Bye, guys.